Our bike.
You got a new bike! Look at your bike, Justin.
Look!
How awesome is that? Look at your bike.
This small.
That's.
This small one.
Look at your bike. Oh, what's this say? Justin. If I left you a wonderful surprise.
No!
Duke. Duke.
Look.
Duke, come here.
Look over this way.
No, Mom!
Look.
Mom's
Duke.
new cup!
A new cup.
Come
He
here, Duke.
left you a new cup.
Duke, come here. Up here. Up.
Justin, look. I left you a wonderful
Lay down.
surprise outside in your backyard. Justin, come here. He left you a surprise in your backyard. Come here.
My jump.
Oh
My God!
Jump! Oh, wow! What do you think, buddy?
It's big.
It's big.
Oh, my present.
Okay.
No, wait.
Louie, you got your own presents.
Oh, we got a new present.
Okay, let's pass them out first, like we did
Duke,
the other day.
come here.
Go sit over there, and I'll pass.
Up again.
Okay, Huey.
Up. Up. Come here.
This is to Huey and Duke. You want to open your presents? Let's make sure we don't get.
Oh, this one.
Okay, who's that to? That says to Mommy. That's Mommy's. From Santa.
It's mine.
That's yours. This is to Daddy.
It's Ted.
Matthew,
Open this.
can you reach up there on top of that thing?
Open it, Mommy.
Oh my goodness! This is Duke. Huey's is up there.
Duke.
Oh my goodness, what'd you get? You got Rocket!
Look at wheels.
Wheels!
Way up there.
Look at that! Matthew.
Open this one.
Yeah, that says to Justin from Santa. There's two up there.
Mommy, open it. Mommy, got it.
Oh, games!
That's what that thing, Mommy. It's a baby.
Huey.
Super baby.
Huey.
Yeah! Look, games!
Where's Charlie's?
It's up there too.
A big one?
The little one.
Oh, he's got the little one.
Oh, okay. Give that to Charlie. Look, games, cars, the Bee Movie game. Remember the driving game we played at the store? You got the driving game.
I'll play it.
Yeah, we will. Let's finish opening presents from Santa.
This one, Mommy.
That's from Mommy and Daddy. Oh, that's to Mommy and Daddy. This is to Justin, Mommy and Daddy.
Let's do this.
Here, open it.
Huh? It's a new one. Wheel, Mommy. A wheel.
A wheel for our game.
Wow. Remember the game you're playing at the store?
Yeah.
That's what that is.
I want this one, Mommy.
Yeah, okay. This is to Mommy and Daddy from Santa.
No, it's not for Daddy. It's mine.
No, this is Mommy and Daddy's from Santa.
No.
This is to Justin. That's from Mommy and Daddy.
This one first.
Okay.
I'll do it.
Remember, this is Mommy and Daddy's.
Okay.
It's the video game.
Mine.
It's Mommy and Daddy's. But we'll share.
Yeah.
Look, Daddy. Look what we got.
Wow.
It's our first, Mommy. Let's do this one, Mommy.
That's to Justin from Mommy and Daddy.
That's Justin.
That's Justin's.
That's your son.
Not mine, yours.
That's Daddy.
Not Daddy. But let's not do that, Justin.
Look, Mommy.
A lightsaber! Cool!
That's the way, Mommy.
We'll wait. We'll open everything. You're done.
I see this one, Mommy.
No, that's to Mr. Mo. Let's see. I see more presents to you. To Justin. To Justin.
What's the weird, Mommy? That's weird, Mommy.
Oh, look. Charlie's got Haley's gift.
Aww. I'm sharing.
You're sharing.
Cow.
Bless you, bless you.
Look at
What'd you get?
Ego movie.
Diego.
Look, Mommy.
Duke.
I mean, it's choice sharing.
You're sharing. Here, here's another one for Justin from Mommy and Daddy.
That's not her.
No, that's yours.
That's Daddy.
No, that's yours.
That's Daddy.
Justin, let's not do that. Just be happy with what you get.
That's Daddy.
If Daddy wants to share with you, he'll share.
Huh? Yeah. It's an Ego movie. It's an Ego.
More Diego.
It's another one.
Yeah, it's fun.
Right here.
Okay.
There.
Let's see. To Justin from Charlie, Hayden, Leah, and Dan.
Huh?
Oh. You love that.
It's my car.
Cars.
Mine.
Yeah.
I will show you.
That's to share. You can play with those or share them.
Look, this is my car.
This is to Justin from Cousin Cohen.
Going. Oh, wait, going. Squeak. Look.
Oh wow! Look, Mater and Sheriff. That's Doc.
A toy.
Here, this is to Justin from Cohen.
Oh, big.
Big.
A heavy.
Is it heavy?
Yeah. Let's open this.
Okay.
Hey.
Sorry.
Duke is just tearing this thing apart.
Okay. Ooh, I think that's Chutes and Ladders. We love that game.